Tell us, I'm not going to be able to get the money today. You know, me understand, say you when I expect the money for me today, big man. But me I tell you, say you're not going to be able to get the money today. So you have to go wait till next weekend, big man.
Yo,
tell them that already, you know,
want money back, Betty.
So what you want to do? What you
want me go muck
What you want
me money? Yo, give me my money. What?
We don't have the money to give you. What you want to do?
Yo, no, I ain't not ready. Yo, bombo clad.
Yo,
give me
give me money.
money.
What are you going to do with that?
Yo,
what are you going to do with that?
who want me money?
Yo,
Who want me money? Bombo clad. Give me my money.
I tell you what it goes.
Give me my money.
I want you. Tell us you give me money. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Blazing,
Come again.